How to add Payoneer payments to Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're running a Shopify store and want to accept international payments easily, adding Payoneer is a great solution, especially if you're based outside the US or working with global suppliers. In today's video, I'll walk you through on how you can connect Payoneer to your Shopify store step by step. I'll also share some important tips, alternatives, and how to manage payouts. So you want to make sure to watch until the end. Now first things first, let's briefly talk about what Payoneer is. Payoneer is a global payment platform that allows you to send, receive, and withdraw payments in multiple currencies. It's popular for freelancers, e-commerce sellers, and international businesses who want to accept payments globally and withdraw them locally. For Shopify store owners, especially those operating from countries where Shopify payments or PayPal might be limited, Payoneer is a great alternative to receive payouts from supported payment gateways. And so all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, if you haven't already, you want to go through your payoneer.com and create an account. From there, you then want to choose the online seller as your account type, enter your personal or business details, add your local bank info for withdrawals, and basically once approved, log in into your Payoneer account and locate your global payment service section to find your receiving bank accounts like USD, Euro, GBP, and etc. Now, these virtual accounts are what we'll use to connect it with Shopify. So basically, you can find that option inside the Get Paid option inside your account's dashboard. From here, you then want to click on the receiving accounts. Now, receiving accounts is the get paid by marketplaces and global clients as if you had your own local account. Request new account for countries where you do business. So you can just click on this option right here, and once inside, you then want to click on the Get Started option. Click on Next, and from here you then have to select the countries. Select the country for which you'd like a local bank account details. In my case, I'll click on the USA option right here. Click on Next, and right after that, you are requesting receiving accounts for the countries listed below. You then want to make sure that you have confirmed and you have read the upcoming fee update. So click on the submit request and you will be able to simply get your local bank details for this specific country right here. And right after, let's now talk about how Shopify Payout works. Now here's the key point. You can't add Payoneer directly as a payment gateway on Shopify, but you can connect it as the receiving account for supported gateways like PayPal, to checkout, now called Verifone, or Payoneer supported providers like Payoneer Checkout or Stripe in some regions. So essentially, the strategy is to link Payoneer as the receiving bank where payouts can go once a transaction is completed in your store. Now let's talk about on how you can go ahead and link Payoneer with PayPal or Stripe. So inside your PayPal account right here, just click on the Add Card or Bank option, and right after that, you want to click on the Link a Bank Account. Now, as we have previously mentioned, your bank details are going to be inside your Payoneer account right here, so you can just grab those bank details, insert it into the PayPal account right here, and you want to click on the link your bank account. You want to make sure that you are using a US bank account right here. So you have your routing number and your account number. Now it's the same for Stripe. Basically, if Stripe is supported in your country, you want to create a Stripe account. During setup, you want to enter your Payoneer US bank account. You want to connect Stripe to Payoneer, or Shopify, under settings and payments. Your customer pays via Stripe and the payout goes to the Payoneer bank account. And so right after, we then have to use third-party payment providers. Shopify supports over 100 payment providers. Some of these providers like to checkout, checkout.com, and Payoneer Checkout lets you add Payoneer bank account for payouts. Now, to go ahead and use this providers, you want to go ahead and through your Shopify admin. From there, you can just click on settings, payments, and add payment methods. And so to do that, it's as simple as navigating through our Shopify dashboard. And from here, you then want to click on settings. Inside settings, click on payments. And from here, you can then go ahead and click on the choose provider option. Now we have a lot of provider that you can go ahead and test out. And just to make sure, you want to go ahead and insert Payoneer checkouts right here to see if that supports your region. Once again, if not, you could use other third-party payment providers like checkout, checkout.com, or PayPal, or some other payment checkouts. Now, how can we go ahead and manage payouts and withdrawal? Basically, once your Shopify orders are processed and the funds hit your Payoneer account, you can withdraw to your local bank account in your currency. You can request a Payoneer MasterCard to spend directly. You can then use the funds to pay suppliers or freelancers, or even transfer between different currency accounts within Payoneer. It's flexible and ideal for global business operation. From there, let's talk about some additional tips for smooth integration. Basically, you always want to verify your Payoneer account and bank information to see if it's accurate. Once again, you can just navigate through your Payoneer account, click on the Get Paid option, and from here, you simply want to select the receiving account. Select the currencies that you want to apply through your Payoneer store or Payoneer account, and from here, you can then click on the Submit Request option. You want to use a verified PayPal business or Stripe account to avoid limits. You want to keep an eye on transactions and currency conversion fees. You want to run a test order to confirm everything flows from Shopify Gateway through your Payoneer account. You want to reach out to Payoneer support if you need help with verification or account linking. And so, as an additional category or as an additional topic, what if Shopify payments isn't available on your country? If Shopify payments isn't supported in your country, Payoneer becomes even more valuable. You can rely on third-party gateways like checkout, PayPal, or even regional providers. Now, with this, you can go ahead and use Payoneer, which gives you a bridge between Shopify and your local financial ecosystem. And so, that's how you can go ahead and add Payoneer payments through Shopify. While it's not a direct one-click integration, you can easily set it up as a reliable system using supported payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or checkout, and link them to your Payoneer account. This setup is perfect for international sellers, dropshippers, or freelancers running Shopify stores from outside the US. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.